What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I just wanted to touch bases with you guys on a few things. I know, first of all, a lot of you guys are wondering what's going on with the giveaway. Well, the giveaway winner will be revealed tonight. So later on tonight, I will put the video out showing you guys who won. Again, I'd like to thank everybody who participated in this giveaway. So the giveaway will be announced later on tonight. So just to let you guys know of some upcoming videos that you can look forward to. I am doing a video on this guy here. This is actually the BB66. And I just removed the canopy and this prop guard here. And I wasn't really too happy with the performance with that stuff on it, but now that I removed it and added this little camera holder here and these props here, it seems like this is a much better flyer now. Losing all the weight seems to have made it a better flyer, so I'm definitely going to do a flight of this thing and show you guys how it flies now. And I did add a buzzer on it, so I just have the buzzer up there. So that's one video you guys can look forward to. A little more happy with that one now. And speaking of 1S flyers, this little guy has new motors, but unfortunately an ESC is blown. So I was thinking that one of the motors had died on me because one of the motors weren't spinning up. It was just stuttering and stuff. So I swapped those motors out for these awesome motors here. These are the AOKFLY 1103 15,000 kV motors. So a little more beefier than the stock motors. Let me show you guys the stock motors. So a little more beefier than the stock motors, but these are actually the same kV just about. These are 16,000 kV and this one here is 15,000 kV. So this should be a performance upgrade. We should see a little more thrust with these here, being that they're a little more larger. I'm expecting it to have more torque, and it should punch out better than these. And these also have the little mounting holes for the props there, so really looking forward to that. But I might be replacing the FC as well, because I'm really thinking about adding OSD to this one. A really nice flyer in its stock form with these motors. And so I just thought that maybe I should invest in it. And so that's an upcoming video. My ET100 is going through adversity as well. I had these 1102 11,500 kV motors on it, and it was actually operating pretty well with this. It was punching out really nice, better than stock and all. But I think I had a loose wire inside the canopy, and it touched something on the ESC and actually burned it out. And so it shorted out the ESC. The ESC is gone. I might replace the whole stack in this one. And I'm actually going to go up to 1104 10,000 kV motors. And these are from Airblade UAV. And so I'm going to be adding these to my ET100. And that should be an awesome build coming up on the ChopShop channel. So you guys can look forward to that. I know the ChopShop channel hasn't been very active, and that's because I was facing adversity here down in my basement. I had some flooding in here I had to take care of. I'll save the story for another time for you guys. Really anxious to build out this hex frame here. It does accept 1103, 1104, 1105, and 1106 motors. Not sure if I can get some 1306s on here. Might be able to. But I don't think I'm going to go that route. I think I'm going to go light with this one. Many more things to come for the ChopShop channel for sure. So I hope you guys continue to keep checking for Frequent Flyer RC. And thanks for watching.